Like, well, I know a few other coughs, I imagine, but I can't think of them right now. Anybody got a cough they want me to imitate? Anybody want to imitate a cough for us?
We do have a question. How about Lee asked the Lobelia cough? Is that a tickly type? Thanks.
Oh, I'd say tickly is a little bit more like wild cherry bark. Yeah. Paroxysmal. A paroxysm's like Lobelia, it's like their lungs are all twisted up. Also, even on the tongue, you might see one half coated, the other not. One side swollen, the other not. Because there's disharmony. There's like not a balanced state.